Good morning everyone. Welcome to the fourth video for chapter number 17. In our last three videos, we have discussed about how Afsana has crossed up the social barrier and how each of her teammates faced different challenges in coming forward towards achieving their dream. Today we will first start with this discuss part. Let's see what would happen if girls are not allowed to play games, to study, or to do some other work of their choice. What would you think it would happen? There will be chaos, because without proper education and understanding, people would not be able to behave properly. How would you feel if you were not allowed to take part in some game or drama? That's an interesting question. Of course, everyone feels very bad if one is not allowed to participate in any kind of event. Have you heard of any women players? Name them, the games they play. So, in DCC classes also we have discussed. I guess all of you can easily name many of women players. In which areas other than sports have you heard of women getting recognition? That's something I guess all of you can answer. Are these women less known than men? Why? In some fields we can see that there is a tendency of women being less known than men, but I guess the social barrier is gradually getting less and less, as we can see Virat Kohli in cricket as well as Mithali Raj gaining similar kind of recognition. We know in boxing Mary Kom got a status none of the other boxers got. So we can't say the same for the current time period. How would you find the world to be if girls never got chance to take part in games, drama, or dance? How would you feel if such a thing happened to boys? All of you kindly think and answer these questions in the chat box or in the comment section. Do you know any woman or girl who would want to be like when you grow up? So you can mention your idol or the person you want to be like when you grow up. What next? Afrin says, I just want to say that if you have some dreams for yourself, give your best to fulfill them. Khushnoor says, if you have a wish or a dream, have courage to speak about it. If you don't do this now, you may regret later. And that's something I also appreciate. We said the newspaper wrote about all of you. Now students will read about you in this book. How do you feel? Afreen says, we are so happy about it that we have no words to explain our happiness. We now feel we must play even better, make our area and our country famous. All girls says, yes, this is our wish too. So let's see about coach sir. The coach who made this team, Noor Khan, told us the part of Mumbai is very crowded. This is the only playground in this area. This is our small Bachchu Khan playground. A person named Mustafa Khan used to live in our area. Everyone was afraid of him, but children were very fond of him. So everyone started calling him Bachchu Khan. There was a ground then. It was very muddy. It is because of Bachchu Khan's devotion and training that players from this area are able to compete with the teams of other countries. Like Bachchu Khan, I have trained the children of this area. Today our team has some who play at the international level. I think that's a very great achievement. Some have even won the Arjun Award. Noor Khan continued, in the last few years, we have also prepared a girls' team. Here, our girls play for the Maharashtra state team. They practice well with good discipline. Our girls and boys come from different type of families. Some are from poor homes, some from richer, some study in Urdu medium, some in English. But once they come here, they all make a team, and that's what matters. Once you are into an institution or into the playground, there are no boundaries separating you from one another. We all are equal. Let us see some basic playing rules. No offensive player may remain in foul lane for more than 3 seconds. Dunking will be allowed in instrumental games, but any attempt to hang on the rim will result in automatical technical foul. This is not a personal foul. Only the captain may discuss an official's call. Nets, wire, and other obstacles are out of bounds. Rules. In FIBA and NBA, we can see there are different rules. Periods, 4 in both the cases. Duration. In FIBA it's 10 minutes. NBA goes for 12 minutes. Rest time 2 minutes. In NBA 2 minutes 10 seconds. Touch ball on above cylinder. Yes, it is allowed, but in NBA not allowed. Number of referees. In FIBA 2, NBA 3. Timeouts are called by in FIBA coach in NBA, the players of the game. Size of the ball is also different. Legal jersey number go from 4 to 15, but in case of NBA, there are no limitations. Activity for the day: think and write. Report said Afsana was jumped over the wall. The gender wall her mother put up for her. Think and write in your own words what was their wall. What do you understand by gender bias? Write your own idea.